Aurum Exploration is a mineral exploration company that operates primarily in Europe and Africa, providing high-level mineral exploration consultancy services to public and private sectors.
The Tellus project is a national mapping programme where we collect soils from across the country, and we also undertake a kind of an airborne geophysics survey. We've sampled all corners of the country from Donegal all the way down to County Kerry.
I've worked from the non-digital age through into the digital age, and I've seen massive changes, and it's made our work so much easier.
So since 2020, the Tellus Soil Survey has mainly evolved by changing from an archaic paper-based system into a completely digital solution. Aurum have been awarded the contract to fully deliver the Tellus Geochemistry Programme. This involves rollout of our own digital data capture solution, delivering data and all samples to close out national completion.
We have looked to new technology and have embraced the digital revolution in terms of how we collect data in the field, store data, and also interpret that data.
The Geological Survey have a very set criteria of how they want to classify the field observation data sets. Using ArcGIS Survey 123, we're able to incorporate those classification codes so that they're available for the samplers to select as they're recording the observations for each soil sample. This minimises errors, minimises data inaccuracies, and also is a significant cost saving on the project.
Aurum have been using Esri products and ArcGIS for a number of years. It allows us to provide much more real-time information to our clients that's easier to digest, it's easier to visualize, and it's easier to understand. And that has a huge savings of cost, of time, more efficient use of budget, and in the exploration industry, the more money that gets spent in the ground, the better.
To share the project information with Geological Survey Ireland, we have a dedicated bespoke dashboard specifically for the Geological Survey's client use. But they can see in real time where our survey teams are operating, what geographical areas we have covered, where we're going to next, where our field-based locations are. So it's a real one-stop shop that they can see in real time. So it's really transparent and really clear.
Challenge for us when we're doing the survey is that we have to collect thousands and thousands of samples from lots of different locations. But now we have an integrated digital system where all that information can be collected in one go. Not only are we improving the efficiency, but also removing any risks.
Our field team leaders use a sample review dashboard to monitor the quality of every soil sample that is taken in the field.
A real important part of collecting the data and actually utilising that data has been companies like Esri, which have provided a really good foundation software, which has allowed us to actually get out in the field, collect that data and actually utilise that data.
Overall, the client is extremely happy with what Aurum provided for them throughout the project and afterwards.
Aurum have been great at this project, and we have a great working relationship with them. Soil sampling collection worked really well, and it's been very efficient and has been collected on time and to budget.
The difference it has made primarily to our field samplers on the ground, that they can work really efficiently and really streamlined in the field. So happy samplers are productive samplers.